Hi YouTube, it's me Snoopy Dog. Today I'm going to be ordering some random product from Amazon with the card I got from the Rich Club. While I do that, let me talk to you about Rich Club membership. Right now, a Rich Club membership is only $100. That's all you pay. And only for you to understand how much you can earn with us, I'll put an example. We teach paper claim methods and how to perform claims or disputes there. With this method, you can refund in any store that accepts PayPal up to $15,000. And that's only one out of more than 100 different methods and stores we are teaching in the Rich Club group. You also get to join a group of people that are doing the same things so you can learn from their mistakes or their wins. Also, some people tell me that they don't have that much money to start. That's all fine. If you only have $100, $200 and you spend it on the membership, there's methods that don't require any money and you can get products on stores like Logitech or Samsung, for example. Well, as you can see, ordering is pretty simple. You just need to add the card number and name with the CVV and you are good to go order. Again, join the group to learn more money tricks. Change your life? I know you need it.